Time for my favorite cereal. Now, all I need is the milk. I wonder, what do these numbers and letters on the milk mean?
An excellent question, Shaurya. That date is a very important Freshness Promise.
The date tells us how long the milk company promises it will be super fresh and tasty. Milk has tine helpers that keep it healthy. But after the date, some mischievous germs can start to appear. These germs multiply and change the milk, making it taste sour and even lumpy. Yuck! And if we drink that spoiled milk, those germs can give us a really unhappy tummy ache. Ah-ha-ha! Does milk go bad faster in the fridge or on the counter?
You're right. This one smells funny. I'm a freshness finder. Time for a new carton.